As we head into the busiest travel season of the year, health experts are reminding us that we need to prioritize our well being. Think about the combination of crowded spaces, you've got the stress, you've got the disrupted routines, and all of the things you need to do when you plan for the holidays, really taking a toll on our physical and mental health. So joining us this morning is Dr. David Fairchild. He is at CVS Health, and you've got some practical tips for us, Doctor, to help us stay healthy and really be able to handle all of the challenges we face, especially during our travels. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Jane. Thanks for having me on.
So what is this? 65% of Americans plan to travel this holiday season. What does this mean for people to be doing now? What should we be doing now?
Well, nobody plans on getting sick, isn't that true? And so the best thing to do is to do a little advanced planning in case you do get sick. One of those is checking your prescription medications, and if you don't have enough to cover you during your trip, make sure you get those refills done now so that you've got enough pills to cover you. The other is, it's always a good idea to get vaccines for things that are common. Flu and COVID are both common. It's still flu season. Flu vaccines are still available. And for those folks that are interested in getting a COVID vaccine, I got mine a couple of weeks ago. It's a great way to help prevent getting COVID. The other thing that I do with my family is I have a little kit, travel kit that I put together with over-the-counter medications in case somebody develops diarrhea or a fever, those kinds of things. Having medications at hand is a great way to be prepared. And then lastly, as a primary care doctor for many years, I know that many people have pretty complicated medical situations, and if you're one of those people, it's important to check with your doctor to find out how to stay healthy and travel safely during the holiday season.
You know, it gets intimidating for folks to travel into a foreign area, whether it's in the country or outside of the country. So for people unfamiliar with their city or environment, where's the best place to go? What should people do?
Yeah, and that's the other truism, isn't it true, Jane, that we never get sick when it's convenient. Minute clinics, so the clinics that are inside some CVS stores, are open 7 days a week. We have evening hours and we have Saturday and Sunday hours. Staffed by nurse practitioners and physician associates. You can have an in-person visit that's scheduled. You can drop in, walk in for an appointment. And we also have virtual Minute Clinic visits 24/7 in all 50 states. So whether it's virtual or in person, we can often take care of the things that come up when people are traveling. And that includes getting treatment for flu or COVID or strep throat or whatever comes up.
We talk about the physical illness, and we need to think about our mental well-being as well. It could be challenging for many folks out there. Any strategies you recommend in trying to manage stress?
Yeah, it's such a great point. I think it's easy to forget how stressful the holidays can be for a lot of people. I encourage people to think about what's prioritizing their self-care, what's going to be important for them, how do they stay grounded and healthy. One of the ways is to get some exercise, to keep moving, get outside. We know that both exercise, movement, and being outdoors are great ways to reduce stress. The other thing is the holidays can be a lonely time, a sad time for many people. And for example, my wife and I are part of a blended family, and our kids are often away with their other parents during the holidays. So Thanksgiving, for example, we've taken to volunteering during that day, and it's a great way for us to feel connected and feel like we're doing something for others on a day when we might otherwise just be knocking around the house on our own. So I encourage people to think ahead. If they're going to be alone during the holiday, are there community groups that they could connect with, church groups, other things that they could do like volunteering that will get them in contact with other folks. And if people do feel sad or stressed, Minute Clinic has access to counseling services virtually in 49 states and in person in many locations. And the nurse practitioners and physician associates in Minute Clinic can help treat anxiety and mild to moderate depression as well. So if somebody feels like they need some help during the holiday season, going to MinuteClinic.com or downloading the CVS Health app is a great way to access services.
Wow, so that's really great. Health on the go and wherever you need it. Virtual health has really advanced these days. All right, Dr. Fairchild, well, thank you for that information. I used to volunteer as well on Thanksgiving Day morning and then go out for my great dinner. So a great way to do both.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that.
Absolutely. Thank you.